Hey everyone, my name is Leo and today this video is a little bit unusual. It's about taking the most advanced electric vehicles and putting them together to a lightweight off-roading trail. Mostly it's for those people who are unaware of what these things are capable of because they can do some really serious stuff. It's also for those who own an electric vehicle and not specifically a Cybertruck or even a Tesla and want to have some last mile or not exactly last mile PEV for fun or even more serious commuting. Personally, for me, this is absolutely mind-blowing that these days we have electric cars and trucks and we can load a one-wheel device the size of a regular suitcase that might provide you with 100 miles of range and could also be charged on board your electric vehicle while you're driving. That's nuts. It wouldn't be possible 15 years ago. And remember one simple thing, if you own one of those devices or vehicles and somebody is unhappy and complaining about technology you love, you shouldn't care. You're already enjoying the glimpse of the future.
I know that it's unusual format, but I thought that it's kind of cool to show you what it is like to ride these things, especially in the summer, especially when it's a good weather outside, and how cool it is. So enjoy the video, and I hope you'll spend your time enjoying it, because otherwise it just doesn't make sense. You should dislike if you don't like.
Off-roading is always about the choice. My choice today was the wheel. So basically all preparation is as easy as that. I grab my wheel, load it in the truck, take all my protective gear, and we are ready to go. Oh yeah, another thing, I know it's a little bit early, but if you like this video or hate it for any reason, there are buttons down below specifically for that. I personally put a lot of effort into these videos to make them entertaining and different from each other. So I would really appreciate that. Okay, back to the main thing. This is going to be a summer video, which is really nice to watch when it's winter, because I guess we all need a bit of vitamin D, so you're always welcome to rewatch it. And without further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, so here is the Sherman L, and today we going for a ride with the boys. Yay! Okay. Oh, let's go. I almost forgot my camera. So we're going this way?
Yeah.
Alright. 99%. Oh, we're good. Yeah, it's a boat day today. Look at all that, and look at the color of the lake. It's so freaking amazing. And this place is amazing too. Just check this out. Okay, this is Vernon and we are getting close to it. So the plan is to go around the lake, go to the Kalamalka Provincial Park over there, and enjoy the ride along the lake. You fine?
That guy told me to slow it down.
What's that?
Yeah, that guy goes, "Hey, could you slow it down a bit, please?" I'm like, I'm doing 30.
Yeah.
And just like that, we rode past those lovely houses with a nice view of an emerald-looking lake. We were near Vernon. It's not like we ride here every day, but it's close enough to feel it both familiar and unfamiliar at the same time. We needed to stop and quickly plan what's next.
You might want to go down here and
Go around it.
go down.
I think the trail is going, like, we can follow the trail a little bit, and I think it will go along the lake anyway.
Okay.
Yeah. If it doesn't turn right, then we are wrong and we need to come back. But I mean, it should. goodness. Hey, Brent. The first parking lot, take to the right, there is a path.
I'll follow you.
Okay, so I've never seen it so packed up. Wow.
What I absolutely love about these wheels is their maneuverability. While I'm not saying it's ideal to ride around pedestrians on any PEV or even a regular bicycle, if it's necessary you absolutely can slow down to pedestrian speed and be as safe as possible around people.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you. So this is a rattlesnake point.
We go from here.
We come back and go around because the only way you can go is up there and it's not rideable for sure.
Yeah, if you go back, there was a spot where there was a crossroads,
Yeah.
and that's a connector to get over to that.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. My God, it's good.
I don't mind the view.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
That's a nice donut and a nice dog.
That's quite a
My GoPro is getting hot and it turns off eventually, but well, let's take a look at this. It's an incredibly beautiful trail. Mountains, fields, even a lake over there on the left. You can see it, but trust me, it's there. I think we missed that turn. We went past that turn.
But if we keep going, we just end up at that road anyways, that Bay Road.
Well, yes, but it will be another, like, I don't know, like 8 kilometers or so. Let's go.
Yeah, I don't mind this.
Yeah. Ooh. Ah, beautiful.
There's no other way that you could access as much of the, natural beauty
Yeah.
that you just, I mean, maybe if you had one of those Sauron e-bikes or something like that.
I don't think so because they are limited in a way, like you can ride this on a walk side because it can be very slow among people, right? On certain bike, you limit it to a bike trail at least. So instead of going over there, we went over there.
Yeah.
I figured out when we are going along some trail, I'm looking to the left and I see Kalamalka Lake and it's like, shouldn't be on the right.
Candle equals soul equals dying star. Flicker like wounded bird. Shadow out dances with death. Blue endless like grief light eyed. I proves darkness exists. We are the dreaming itself as.
And this is the end of our ride. It wasn't too long, around 35, maybe 40 kilometers, but it was fun to explore. The greatest thing about technology is that it allows us to know, see, and experience more. And that's a fact. Don't forget that you can always join our group on Pi Messenger if you have any questions about electric unicycles or a Cybertruck, for example. There is a group for that as well. I'll keep the links in the description down below so you can always tap and I'll see you there. Well, yes, this is the end of the video and I really hope that you enjoyed it. You're always welcome to come back here, but for now this is it. So I guess thank you for your time and see you sometime later.